Also, now let's go to our third session of the day, that was the Google function. How to convert your Excel into Google. Okay, that is pretty much interesting topic. What you say? So over here we have a question. You can read that. Who are the leaders of Gujarat? Okay, so what we need to do is over here, I'm just mentioning Gujarat over here. Okay, I'll select the cell in which Gujarat is written. I'll go to the data tab, which is next to the formulas. Over here, I'll go into data types. Over here, I'll select geography. Okay, again, I'll show you. I'll go to the data tab and I will go into data types. Over here, I'll select geography. Okay, as soon as I'll click on it, I'll get an option for data selector. Okay, just wait for it, it's get loaded. Okay, so I am having an option over here because Excel is identifying two types of Gujarat. One is there in Pakistan as well. Okay, so over is in India, हम इंडिया वाले हैं तो इंडिया का सिलेक्ट करेंगे and I'm selecting Gujarat. So now I want to know who are the leaders of Gujarat. Simply I'll click on leaders and I'll be able to see Kishore Kanani is the minister, Vijay Rupani is the chief minister, Acharya ji is our governor, and Nitin sir is our deputy chief minister. Not only that, I just want to know that what is the population of Gujarat. Okay, I'll do the same thing. I'll click on geography and I'll just select over here. See, you will get the data selector option only and only at that time when Microsoft is not able to analyze or Microsoft is having multiple available options. At that time only you will be getting data selection option. In the previous case of stocks, we were not getting any options for selection because Microsoft was able to analyze what is our exact requirement. Okay, so over here I just want to know what is the population of Gujarat. Okay, so I'll click on population, and in the same way, I want some other data. So what I can also do is I can simply select the cell in which the state name is written and press a dot. So after that, again I'll get some other informations that I can use. What are the major cities, or what is the image? Yes, you can even get the image. Let us try and press the enter. It takes some time. See, images over there. I'll just try to make it enlarge. So see, you'll be able to see the image as well. So this function is also one of the most excellent function of Microsoft Office 2019 and 365. Okay, so which is the largest city of Gujarat? I just want to know that. I'll select it and let's see, Ahmedabad. Okay, so this was how to convert your questions in Excel and you can find the answers within your Excel. Now the question comes that यार हमारे पास तो 2016 है या हमारे Excel में ये feature available नहीं है, then also you want to use it. Ketki Pandya is actually asking, do we type the options beforehand? What type of options you are talking about? Just let me know, I'll answer it. Okay, so that will be your question, like हमें ये data types के options चाहिए हमारे Excel में, which is not there. So what you can do is, एकदम free का नुस्खा है, try करना है कर लीजिए, मैं तो यही करता हूँ. Microsoft accounts पे जाके आपका free का account you can sign up. There are no charges in that. Free में account आप खोल दीजिए वहाँ पे and simply यहाँ पे जाके you can utilize all these different types of products of Microsoft 365. You can use Excel, OneNote, Skype, PowerPoint, Word, and it's official. You can use it for free. Okay, so I'll be selecting Excel. So over here I'm selecting the Excel and it's getting loaded. So मैंने तो already बना के रखी एक sheet, so I'll open it again. This is the best function friends, let me tell you. आप free में भी इसे utilize कर सकते हो. सर देर इज नो ऑप्शन ऑफ डेटा टाइप इन डेटा टैब. अंकुश जी वो ऑप्शन आपको सिर्फ 2019 के एक्सेल में एंड माइक्रोसॉफ्ट 365 के वर्जन में ही मिलेगा और कहीं नहीं मिलेगा. सो आई एम शोइंग यू द वे. आप यहाँ पे आके आपका अकाउंट फ्री में साइन अप कर सकते हैं एंड यू कैन यूटिलाइज इट as simple as that. So over here, this is the online version of Microsoft 365 which is completely free for all. You can even use it in your offices. There is no restriction in that. Okay, so over here you can find certain more questions that I am going to show. So let's go to the data tab over here, which is next to formulas only. Okay, so over here also we are having the same options. Okay, see, let's see. We are having the stocks, currency, geography, automatic option is there. Okay, animals, chemistry, cities, location, different types of options are available. Let's see. So who is Narendra Modi? I don't know who is Narendra Modi. Okay, so आप देखिए एक्सेल कितना स्मार्ट है. I'll click on Narendra Modi and simply select the automatic function. ऑटोमेटिक जो है वो अपने हिसाब से ही सर्च कर लेता है. सो इफ यू आर नॉट अवेयर कि आप जो सर्च करना चाहते हो वो किस कैटेगरी में आता है, गो फॉर द ऑटोमेटिक वन एंड इट विल हेल्प यू आउट. सो आई एम सिलेक्टिंग नरेंद्र मोदी ओवर हियर. Okay, so I can find anything regarding him. What is his full name? What is the occupation? Place of birth? Sibling? Each and everything is available. Wikipedia summary text. Okay, wow. Okay, so the Wikipedia summary text is also available. See, serving as the 14th and the current Prime Minister of India since 2014. So let's change the name. I don't want Narendra Modi. I'll be writing Mukesh Ambani. Okay. See, it takes some time, but you'll get the result. Mukesh Ambani, born 19th April 1957, is a Indian billionaire business chairman, managing director, and the largest shareholder of Reliance Industries. Excel can make our work so easy. You guys don't believe. And just not the popular names. Let's just, I'm writing an animal name. Suppose over here, types of monkeys. I don't know how many types of monkeys are there, so I just want to know that. So again, I'll go to the data and select the animal monkey category. Microsoft is giving me few options. Okay, because there are different breeds, I guess. So we'll go with this. Okay, I'll select it and I can find all type of data. What is the name of this type of monkeys, or I can find their images, scientific name. This is an excellent feature, friends. Not only just animals and all, we can even find the author names of the books. Books के जो authors होते हैं उनके नाम भी पता चल सकते हैं. So there is a very famous book called War and Peace. Okay, so over here again I'll be using the automatic function of data type. In data type में जाके मैं automatic use करने वाला हूँ War and Peace. Yes, Mala ma'am, the worksheet is opening in Office 365, but if you want to use it, you can use it for a month only. That is true. So ये particular function अगर आपको use करना है, you either you purchase it, Microsoft 365 आप update कर दीजिए आपके PC में, Microsoft 2019 Excel ले लीजिए. अगर वो दोनों नहीं कर सकते हैं तो ऑनलाइन आप एक महीने के लिए यू कैन सब्सक्राइब इट एंड आफ्टर दैट आफ्टर यूटिलाइजिंग इट आप उसको अनसब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए. देयर इज ओनली दैट वे पॉसिबल. सो ओवर हियर वॉर एंड पीस में आई एम गेटिंग एन ऑप्शन. आई विल बी सिलेक्टिंग दैट and I'll get all the information regarding the same. Who is the author of the book? Okay, it takes some time to get it load, but I'll get it. Wow. In the same way, who is the director of Avengers? 2012. I just want to know who is the director of it, or what is the casting of this movie. That option is also available, friends. You will not believe, but that option is also available. Simply go over here and select the movies option, and I'll get all the information, like who is the directors, or what are the cast and roles. Each and everything is available. So this is also one of the good feature of Microsoft 365. Not only that, I can get the details regarding the city. Like I want the detail for Surat city. So I just need to select the option over here, and I need to select the Surat city option. Okay, very simple. So even in Surat, France में भी कोई सूरत है, so Microsoft is suggesting me two different options. So Vijay Arora sir is asking how much does it cost to purchase a new Microsoft 365. Depends. Certain times they are giving some discounts as well, and there are आप अगर retailer के पास से भी लेते हो तो कभी सस्ता मिल सकता है. Go in the market once. So certain times offline deals are also good. So I'll also suggest जितने भी लोग देख रहे हैं 161, आप सबके पास अगर नहीं है Microsoft 365, go and buy it. So there is one more option. If you want to buy it online, ये 4 से 5 users को एक साथ use करने देता है. So if you are having a group of 4 to 5 people, you can divide the total amount and use it. Because it's an overall, ये जो Microsoft 365 है उसमें इतने सारे अच्छे functions है that you cannot even think of. Okay, so यहाँ पे देखिए heart functions, how the heart functions, even that you can know यार. और क्या चाहिए? See, what is the depth of my heart? What is the function of my heart? Let's just see that. Carries blood to and from the gas exchanges surfaces of lungs and transport blood to and from the rest of the body. Wow. Not only just that, और एक इसमें अच्छा feature है, that is the food one. You can simply write the name of the eatable food that you want to get the information. You can know each and everything. You can know what are the calcium ratio in that, how much protein is there, what are the calories in that. Same for the universe as well, space also. You can search how many moons are there on Mars. So there are so many other things that you can do with this data type. I'm not going to show you all because I'm having a time constraint. So see, you are having multiple options. You can see all the options. You can have options related to plants, university, people, medical. What else you want, friends? So that was my session regarding how to convert your Excel into Google, and I hope you are going to love this. If you are not having this, the only way is either you purchase it or use the free one that is available on Microsoft 365. एक महीना का सब्सक्रिप्शन लेके अनसब्सक्राइब करके वापस सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हो. जस्ट आपका एक ईमेल एड्रेस जाएगा, नथिंग मोर देन दैट. So that is also way. I'll not suggest that. It's better you purchase it. One time investment है. तो उसके सामने what things you are going to get is, if you are going to update Microsoft 365, I'm not doing a marketing for them, let me be very clear, but not just your Excel is going to be get updated, but your Outlook, your OneDrive, your Word, PowerPoint, OneNote, Calendar, Skype, and in some version even Visio is available. So कौन सा ले रहे हो, प्रोफेशनल के लिए ले रहे हो, स्टूडेंट वर्जन ले रहे हो, that also matters. So if it is possible, go for Microsoft 365. It's going to help, and just let me know in the chat, YouTube chat, कि आपको ये अच्छा लगा या नहीं लगा. Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand.